Hey everyone, Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech here with another iPhone 17 video. Today we are talking about what I think is one of the best cases for the iPhone 17, the Torras Magnetic Shockproof. So it's the Shockproof series and it does have the magnet in the back. And the reason why I like this and I left some other cases in the dust is because it actually has a camera control cover. With the cost of replacing the camera control, I refuse to have a case that doesn't actually cover it and protect it. And at the end of the day, this is my only device. I don't want to risk it going caseless. I know it's beautiful, but I will always rock a case and a screen protector because I'm an everyday person. I don't want my phone to break. As you can see, it has really nice buttons on the sides. It has some indentations for cushioning to absorb some impact in the corners and on the sides. Let's get the phone in and see how it looks. Perfect fit, not too big in the hand, shut up the floss. The camera bump fits perfectly, and although there's a little bit of wobble, it looks great with the two camera setup. There are very minor bumps and ridges on the back, so it minimizes how much it rocks just a little bit. You can kind of see it there, but it's not too much. That's actually something that would be nicer, to have a few higher edges on the corners so it's not as bad. The buttons are nice and clicky, honestly even better than the previous model year, and this is going to be the case that I will be rocking. Again, I just like the company Torras. The Torras screen protector fits great, and this is not sponsored. And yeah, I think that this is probably one of the best cases you can get. It's only $24.99 on Amazon, so it's not at the super premium level of pricing, but that's totally fine. I wouldn't want to spend more for a case anyways. Now the case itself has a really strong magnet, so you heard how that clips. It's not going anywhere. This magnet is fantastic. I don't have something to measure exactly how strong, but it's totally manageable. Honestly, hard to get off. The iPhone 17 is a bit lighter than the 17 Pro, but let's get a scale over here to see exactly how heavy this case is. So coming in at 33 grams, it's just 3 grams heavier than the tech woven and the silicone case from Apple directly. But at the same time, this offers more protection. I feel more comfortable with this over the long run. And on top of this device being lighter than the Pro model, it does not feel too heavy in the hand, unlike the Pros, or especially the Pro Max. And the last thing I want to touch on is, in the box, you actually get a few more buttons. So if you want to customize it a little bit, you can choose between yellow or red. Between all of the buttons, you can mix and match or do all of the same. I'm going to keep them black. I think it looks classic. It looks sleek and stealthy, but this is a nice, fun little add-on. So shout out to Torras for that. If you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. This is Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech. And remember, life's short. Buy tech.